treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with
Good morning. Ooh, I'm looking at mess, y'all. So today kicks off my weekend, and today Layla go with her dad. This is like, I'm super early. Why? Okay, I can take this makeup off. I can't. What's up, y'all? So I did go ahead and take my makeup off, and I'm about to go make some tea. I did go and wash Layla up because, like I said, her dad is coming to get her today. So I'm about to go make some tea. I did take my sea moss. I was supposed to take it day and night. Me and my mama bought some sea moss, and we're gonna start taking that. But let me know if y'all like the quality, because I like it. My bed is a mess. I'm gonna clean it up, y'all. I got a light. I'm gonna take this down too and put another chandelier right there. I also gotta take my, and I'm gonna show y'all me making my bed and stuff, but I'm about to make some tea real quick and edit before I go to my dentist appointment. My dentist appointment is at 4 o'clock. And it is 11, about to be 12, so I'm trying to knock this out within like 2 hours. So I might have to put this on the charger. But I'm about to take my Miel pills. Let me show y'all. So these pills right here are my vitamins. I'm still trying to figure out how to work this camera because like the lighting situation. It's crazy. But yeah, I have a brand new one. I just finished my other one yesterday. And I'm about to start on these because, like I said, my nail had broke. Well, came all the way off. But look, look at it. Here, focus right here. Look, it came back. It came back. It's slowly coming back. Well, no, not slowly. It's coming back, but it's not all the way like grew out yet. But I'm gonna get some more nails. But I'm just trying to take my vitamins so that my nails can grow back faster and healthier. That's all. But yeah, let's take these vitamins and make this tea. Okay, girl. I see you. Girl, why you look like that, though? Oh, you look cute.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, so when you around me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments, air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no sadness with you, you know you my plug, and I can't say you just have enough. like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, city of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like you used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you mishandle me. Used to be not violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with you. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That mean no permission. Missionary getting boring. Switch positions. Hard to say your soul, you never listen. No, no.
Alright, y'all.
Use the right lane to take the I-94
Memphis.
West Road to I-57 South, Memphis.
Look at me, I'm sure about to start talking. Look. I just got my braces
Continue for
changed.
1 mile.
Shut up, girl. What's up, Blue? And then now, I got like a rubber band in my mouth. So me and my mama,
Oh no,
we about to go to Applebee's.
bro! Don't put me on that.
No gas. It's hot. But I filled her up on that tank.
I don't know what you want from me. I don't know what you want. I tried everything. I tried everything.
Y'all, this is why I be coming to get my tank tops every $3. This spaghetti shop. Y'all know I love me tank tops. I'm gonna get me a red. I'm gonna do medium. I never picked the first one. That's black people. They always pick the ones underneath or behind. Ain't nobody there in this Walmart, y'all. I need black, but they never have mediums.
Yeah, it's just small.
Yeah, they do. They got a lot of those,
Well,
but now they got large in the black. Yeah, I love my moo-moos. Okay. Yeah, this right here. Yeah, I'm finna get a moo-moo. I need a moo-moo.
I'll be liking these for $7.
What? I'm gonna put my purse in this cart. See, look, I'm just dropping stuff. Here.
Oh, honey. That's cute. Where you get that from?
What? Zara.
Oh, dude.
Mm-hmm. This a pants. Wait.
You be
Yep,
liking
this a
these?
pants. I like these.
Yeah.
This cute. Moo-moo. Oh, that's cute.
Queen of everything.
I like that one.
But where's the interest? You got no interest.
Let me do small.
That's nuts, man.
Right now, you are now tuned in. Pink Griffin, I'm still going there. Who is he? Motherfucker, I'm him. Yeah, let's get it. I'm coming back for good, so let them niggas know it's mine. Already got someone, that's what you tell them every time. That shit ain't up for grabs. Where you at on the map? I come to where you at. Running in, duck your ass, I won't hold back.
Hey!
And that's what she said. She said, "And Mom, you think they'll let me be in?" Okay, great.
You back on them know we here, okay?
Okay.
Let them know
I
we
done took
here.
my education
Yeah,
classes
let 'em know
and
we
everything.
here.
That's
Hey,
right.
y'all. Hey.
Okay.
Y'all hear that?
This the only place I. Okay.
We got a hands-on color boot camp.
Oh, I was just gonna say. I was just thinking about color.
We do. It's 6 credit hours if you need your credit hours for continuing educational. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What you ready now for?
Whatever, like pop-up shops.
She's okay. You
She got lashes, y'all. Oh, these cute.
Oh yeah, we know that. We don't know nothing else. We know that.
I said, as black as you see me today, okay?
Cute. I'm gonna put these on today.
Oh, you want a price for it?
It's cute.
Y'all ready?
My name in the system already.
This stuff good.
Yeah, she gotta look it up. These are magnetic.
Okay.
9, 10. Okay. Yeah, okay. These, let me give you a new box for these.
Okay.
The box will look a little better.
Do it matter if I put them on other people? Cause
No, girl,
some of the
no.
short ones,
No.
I use for clients.
No, ma'am.
Cause me, I
No,
like
ma'am.
these.
No,
Like
ma'am.
those.
I like these. These
So next month, come back and I'm gonna get you a whole big.
Okay.
Change by the glamorous, ooh, flowers, flowers. First class, up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the glamorous, ooh, flowers, flowers. Yellow, golden, diamond rings, all them things don't mean a thing. Chaperones and limousines, shopping for expensive things. I be on the movie screens, magazines and bougie scenes. I'm not clean, I'm not pristine, I'm no queen, I'm no shame. I still go to Taco Bell, drive through Rose Hill. I don't care.
Alright, y'all. So I got my outfit out. So this is the camera that I use to take my pictures. Let me see if y'all can see it. This is the EOS 90D. And I'm actually about to go get dressed. I just gotta finish this last hair tutorial so I can send it in, and then I'm gonna go get dressed. But yeah, this one I'm wearing. I just picked this up at this store. Y'all gonna see it in the vlog. It's by my house. It's in Harvey. And yeah, I gotta promote this bag. So if y'all listen, for the ones who buy the real bag and for the ones who buy the fake, I got 2 real bags. I got a Gucci bag that y'all saw me get in the store, and I got a YSL bag that I went to go get. Not this one. It's the other one that y'all see me be wearing. Got 2 real bags for my whole, as long as I've been living, I got 2 real bags, okay? So I work with this company. They send me bags, and baby, I get that coin to promote. But it's real good quality bags, okay? Y'all like dupe bags and y'all want to get dupe bags, check my post on Instagram. I will be posting it, if not today, definitely tomorrow. But this is the bag, one of the bags. It looks really good, like good quality. Please look at that, that look good. I'm about to, I had to make my bed up, but I'm about to finish this vlog. Not vlog, I'm about to find some music on SoundCloud. That's why I be finding my music at. It's this vlog right here. Oh my god, why is it saying this? No. Okay, let me save this actually.
After the show, after the Grammys, I